Hello viewers, Republic Day sale is running on Flipkart as well as on Amazon.in. Many people have actually bought smartphones, tablets and also laptops in this sale. But some people have missed the chance of buying tablets in this sale, so they want to know whether they should buy now or they should wait for another sale. For example, if you have missed the chance of buying Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case you cannot buy this tablet right now because the price is very high. But if you want to buy iPad 10th generation, then this is a very good chance for you to buy this iPad 10th generation at 27,000 rupees, because the price of 64GB version is 30,000 rupees and with credit card you will get 3,000 rupees discount. So this is a great chance for those users who want to buy iPad. Also, if you want to buy Oneplus Pad, 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, in that case also you can buy that tablet under 23,000 rupees. Similarly, if your budget is under 20,000 rupees and you want to buy a Samsung tablet, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 8GB RAM and 128GB Wi-Fi version. But sadly there is no good discount on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, so you have to wait if you want to buy Tab S9 FE. Now if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 flagship level tablet, in that case you will get this tablet at 48,000 rupees on Flipkart for the 128GB Wi-Fi version. And if you want to buy MI Pad 6, in that case for the 128GB version you will have to pay 21,199 rupees. But I don't think this is a very good pricing for this tablet, because in every sale you can buy this tablet under 20,000 rupees for the 128GB version. So don't buy this tablet at 21,000. If your budget is around 30,000 rupees and you want AI in your tablet, in that case you can buy MI Pad 7. But the two problems are there, and the first problem is you have to buy the focus pen separately, that will cost around 6,000 rupees. So the effective price will be 33,000 rupees with the pen. And if you want to buy the keyboard, in that case you have to pay around 8,000 rupees extra. That is also very much for this kind of tablet. And in case you want to buy iPad 9th generation, so don't buy this iPad 9th generation right now because the price is very high. You will get this iPad under 20,000 rupees in every sale. But sadly in this sale there is no offer on iPad 9th generation. If you want to buy Poco Pad 5G, in that case the price is on the higher side, because for the 128GB version you have to pay 22,000 rupees and you will get some discounts. Actually you will get 3,000 discounts, so the price is okay. The effective price will be around 18,200 rupees, so you can buy or you can skip. It is on your preference. Many people want to know about Redmi Pad Pro 5G, but I don't recommend this tablet because the price is on the higher side, so skip this tablet. Rather you can buy Poco Pad 5G, because in Poco Pad 5G you will get Wi-Fi plus 5G variant and the price will be only 18,000 rupees for the 128GB version. So you have to choose which tablet you want to buy. And if you feel the pricing on the higher side, wait for another sale. Maybe 1 month or so you will get another sale and you will get discounts. And if you want to know about the deals and discounts, subscribe this channel with notification bell on. I will let you know about the offers and also about the best price of each and every tablet. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.